Hi there, my name is Kendra Tolbert. I am a registered dietitian and yoga teacher specializing in PCOS and fertility. And today I have a 15-minute morning sequence that you can do to get the blood flowing, to nourish your brain, your ovaries, and your uterus, and set you up for a positive and peaceful day. So go ahead and grab your mat and we'll get started.
Come to a comfortable cross-legged position on the floor. Now, whatever leg you instinctively put in front, switch it and place your back leg in front. Close your eyes if you haven't already and bring your attention to your breath. Bring your hands to rest gently on the lower part of your stomach. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. We're going to try deep breath, which is a great breathing exercise to do when you want to focus your mind, give yourself a bit of energy, while also calming your central nervous system. You'll probably want to open your eyes now so you can watch me if it's something that's new to you. Place your index fingers on the cartilage right at the entrance of your ears. Inhale deeply and press the cartilage in very gently. Now make a buzzing, humming sound with your lips closed as you exhale. It'll sound something like this. Inhale to repeat. Now you try. Place your fingers on your cartilage. Inhale, press in gently, and buzz. Release your hands and return to your normal breath. Slowly come onto your hands and knees, shoulders stacked over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, tip the crown of your head and your tailbone up as you arch your back. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and release your pelvis and neck down. Cat pose. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone and crown lift. Exhale, release and round your spine. Continue with this motion using your own breath as your guide. On your next exhale, come back to a neutral spine and prepare for cat-cow circles. Inhale, come to cow, arch your back. Exhale, circle your crown and tail to the right and down. Inhale, circle to the left and up. Continue making circles following your own breath. If you haven't already, switch directions. exhale, come back to a soft, long spine. Inhale, extend your right leg back, toes remain on the ground. Exhale, bring your right leg back in. Inhale, extend your left leg behind you. Exhale, bring your left leg back in. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, bring your right leg down. Inhale, raise your left leg. Exhale, bring your left leg down. Press both feet back, legs lifted for plank pose. We'll be here for about 3 breaths. Lower your knees, hips, chest, and place your forehead on the mat. Place your hands on either side of your chest, fingertips facing forward, elbows hugging in, pointed towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift your chest, shoulders, and head. Exhale, lower. Come back to all fours so that you're on your hands and knees. Inhale, curl your toes under. Exhale, lift your knees and your hips up and back for down dog. Pedal through your down dog, bending one leg and then the other. Back and forth, allowing your hips to sway. Slowly, walk towards the front of your mat. As slow as you can, roll up until you're standing. Turn to the side so you're facing me. Place your hands on your hips and walk your feet out wide with your toes pointed towards the long edge of your mat. Turn your left foot so your toes point towards the short edge of your mat. Bend your left knee so it's just over your left ankle and pointing between your big and second toes. Release your hands and bring your arms to a T. This is your warrior 2. Straighten your left knee. Drop your back hand to the back of your right thigh. Flip your front hand so your palm is facing up. Raise your arm up, bend over, and stretch back. Walk your hand back up your thigh so that you're upright again, back to center. Turn your front foot so both feet are facing the long edge of your mat. Now we'll switch sides. Right toes point towards the short edge of your mat. Exhale, bend your right knee. Inhale, bring your arms to a T for warrior 2 on the other side. Straighten your leg. Drop your back hand to the back side of your back leg. Flip your front palm. Inhale, raise your arm and stretch up and over and back. Walk your hand back up your thigh so that you're upright again, back to center. Rotate your foot so you're facing forward again and reconnect to your breath. On your next exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Grab opposite elbows and sway from side to side. Find stillness again. You can place your hands on the ground or anywhere above or below your knees, just not directly on your knees. If you have blocks, you can also place them on that. If you don't have blocks, you can use books, or a stool, or a chair, or an ottoman. Walk your feet in so they're directly underneath your hips. Slowly roll up. Stack your hips over your ankles and your shoulders over your hips. Chin parallel to the floor. Notice your feet. Are you placing more of your weight to the front or to the back or to one side than the other? Is there a way you can create some balance? Inhale, raise your arms up overhead. Exhale, rotate your upper body to the right as you lower your arms to shoulder height. Inhale, come back to center, arms up overhead. Exhale, twist to the other side as you lower your arms to shoulder height. Inhale, back to center, arms overhead, and take your left wrist into your right hand. Stretch over to the right. Look up and down. Notice if these small changes change the sensations you experience while in this pose. Inhale, back up to center. Take your right wrist in your left hand and stretch to your left. Clasp your hands behind your back. Inhale, press your shoulder blades together. Chest expands forward and up. Exhale, release your shoulder blades. Inhale, chest up and forward again. Exhale, release your hands and shake it all out. Firmly press into your feet. Stack your hips so they're over your ankles, ribs and shoulders, floating over your hips, your head and ears in line over your shoulders. With your spine nice and long, but still soft. Bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale, raise your arms up and overhead. Press your hands together, kind of like you're giving yourself a high five. And slowly exhale as you bring your hands to chest level. I wish you the best day. Be well.